Hi, greetings everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I hope every one of my viewers is doing well in all aspects of life. So let us get started with the cue of our series. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important factors which molds our lives, which is perspective. So let's hear a story I read in a book titled Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. So getting started, one day a man named Robin with a serious illness was wheeled into a hospital room where another patient named James was resting on a bed next to the window. As these two became friends, James, who was like next to the window, would look out and then spend the next few hours delighting the bedridden companion with the vivid descriptions of the world outside. Some days he would describe the beauty of the trees in the park across from the hospital and how the leaves danced in the wind. On other days, he would entertain Robin with step-by-step replays of the things people were doing as they walked by the hospital. However, as time went on, the bedridden Robin grew frustrated at his inability to observe the wonders which James described. Eventually, he grew to dislike him and then to hate him intensely. One night, during a particular bad coughing fit, Robin stopped breathing. Rather than pressing the button for the help, James chose to do nothing. The next morning, Robin, who had given his friend so much happiness by recounting the sights outside the window, was pronounced dead and was wheeled out of the hospital room. As soon as he was wheeled out, James quickly asked that his best bed to be placed next to the window, and this request was complied with by the attending nurse. But as soon as he looked outside of the window, he discovered something that really shook him up. The window faced a brick wall. There was no scenery around over there. There was nobody passing by. There were no trees, no scenery. His former roommate had made all the incredible sights that he described in his imagination as a loving gesture to make his friend a little bit better and make him feel more comfortable during his difficult time. This story never ever fails to create a shift in my own perspective. When I think about it, to live happier, more fulfilling lives, when we encounter a difficult circumstance, we must keep shifting our perspective and continually ask ourselves, is there a wiser, more enlightened way of looking at the seemingly negative situation? Even Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest physicists ever, is reported to have said that we live on a very minor planet, on a very average star located within the outer limits of the galaxy, which is amongst hundreds and thousands and millions of galaxies. Well, how's that for a shift in perspective? Given this information, are our troubles really that big? Are the problems we have experienced or the challenges we might have been facing or would be facing are really as serious as we have made them out to be? We should really go through this question once again. See, we walked this planet for such a short period of time, so why waste our time to run behind fulfilling our greed? And let's enjoy the journey and savor the process through. That's all from my side. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.